Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Question is, can a robot really think like a surgeon? This is the question. And answer to this question was given by Johns Hopkins University. That means researchers at Johns Hopkins University. They are saying that yes, robots can think like surgeons. So what happened actually? So researchers at Johns Hopkins University performed a surgical procedure. What is that surgical procedure? That was actually an intestinal surgery performed using AI-driven robot called STAR. STAR is the short form for what? Smart Tissue Autonomous Robot. Smart Tissue Autonomous Robot. This is what? This is STAR. Okay, short form is STAR. Anyway, so STAR, this was used to perform the surgical procedure. Intestinal surgery was there. Okay, in medical science, this is called actually anastomosis. Means task was what? Task was to reconnect two ends of an intestine. And this surgical procedure is extremely precise. Okay, precise pressure controls are required, precise stitching is required. So STAR was equipped with a custom AI algorithm, 4 sensors and computer vision. So using all these things, they performed the surgical procedure, of course in lab. Okay, means in lab controlled environments, that surgical operation was performed and they were extremely successful. And according to the researchers at Johns Hopkins University, they are saying that the precision in the surgical procedure was more than the human surgeons. They are demanding this. They are saying this like this. Okay, that means what? Question was what? Can a robot really think like surgeons? So according to the researchers at Johns Hopkins University, answer is yes, this is possible. So you can easily, this is known to you that AI algorithm was used, means artificial intelligence was used. STAR was equipped with this facility and that artificial intelligence was trained using deep learning algorithm on hundreds of hours of surgical data. And accordingly, the whole system, the entire system learns many things like precise stitching, okay, optimal path, how to select the optimal path, how to control the required forces or pressures during the surgical procedures. And also that is AI, that means that is capable of taking decision in mid-operation. Okay. So you can see that so many things are involved there. Anyway, what is the ultimate result? Ultimate result is the ultimate success. Researchers have got ultimate success. And everything was performed without any human intervention. Without any human intervention, everything was performed. And they got 100% success. But you know that there are so many questions whether patients, means if robots are approaching to operate you, if robots are allowed to cut you open to do surgical procedures, then whether patients will allow that thing or not. Means we are discussing the case where human intervention is not there. Only robots are there. And robots are approaching toward you to cut you. The particular part, okay, for surgical procedure, whether patients will allow or not. Then since AI here is involved, computers are involved, that means your data, patient's data. So who will protect those patient data? And next question is, if something goes wrong, who will be responsible in this case? So many questions are asked by different people. Anyway, what Johns Hopkins University is saying, they are saying we are not going to replace surgeons. Means this is not a what? Man versus machine case. This is a man plus machine case. Or better to say here, more specifically, surgeon plus machine. Machine means here robot. So these are not those typical robots which were earlier operated by human hands. Okay, these are not that type of robot. These are totally autonomous. They are capable of taking decisions during the surgical procedure. And everything is done by them, means robots. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so we have discussed here what? Only the results of Johns Hopkins University. Okay, if you search for such cases, so you will get many cases, many successful cases you will get. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.